What is your favorite? What is your favorite thing here at the restaurant? Like, what do you like to eat?
Oh, okay.
Go ahead and expand on that.
Well, I'll tell you this. Okay, we have something on our menu. It's called the King's Frenchie. It's a deep fried grilled cheese sandwich. And I put it on the menu because there was a place in Norman called King's Food Host when I was little, and they had the Frenchie. It's pretty good and pretty not on a good diet. And if you
you don't need that. You don't need the good diet.
Right, you gotta pace yourself.
It's awesome. If it's amazing and that first bite just says, yes, this was a good choice.
Well, we actually
no
have
worries.
people that grew up in Norman that come up just for it. I had a group of women that came in the other day. It was a group of 5 women, and they all ordered the Frenchie. So I took the food out and I said, who grew up in Norman? And they all raised their hand. So that's one thing that is kind of just the fun thing. Our other thing that everybody loves, and it's our #1 bestseller, is our pot roast pot pie. Everybody loves it. It's pot roast with mashed potatoes and a puff pastry, and it's just yummy.